Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this is going to be a great ass lunch, dinner, breakfast, all of the above, because it's like 3 o'clock right now. But hey, bag secured. I got the Celine. She want the stewies. Oh. Got big lemons, boy. Dessert of bell peppers, every color in the goddamn rainbow. Jalapenos, sir. T-bone steak. Ooh, 2 big sea scallops. Sticky rice right here has been soaking overnight. The reason for that is sticky rice in general, it's really dry. It needs to be soaked overnight to gain moisture, just to be cooked. Let that shit get sticky, icky, licky. Ricky Bobby. Finish cutting them bell peppers up. Look at that. Taste the rainbow, motherfucker. Yo, y'all wonder why my forearms are so big? Yo, you see that? You see that technique, bruh? Steak. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm about to be eating good today, baby. You don't really eat the stems, like more of the top part. I'm gonna grill these light char. They cook really, really quick, so you want it crispy, but also have a nice smoky flavor to it. You're gonna hit it with that black pepper, sea salt, regular salt, or Himalayan pink salt, whatever you got. I like to add onion powder. I like to add a little bit garlic powder and olive oil. So keep it real simple. And yeah, it's just a nice add-on to eat with a steak. Just work your way from the bottom of the stems to all the way to the top. The vegetables, so yeah, a little spiciness never hurt nobody, unless you're a little bitch. But hey, then olive oil. Honestly, yo, I eyeball everything, so I'm probably gonna add more if it doesn't come out the consistency I like. So hey, trial and error. So it's a little more spicy than I thought, but I should add a little more cilantro to this. But hey, I don't care. That's my little take on chimichurri. You're not even supposed to blend it, but I'm lazy as hell. So now it's time to check my charcoal because that shit's been outside. Hopefully my house ain't burned down. Jesus. Jesus. Look at that shit. Dang. Yo, stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me. I got my mama's made. She made that gel soap. I got my chimichurri sauce right here. I got my steaks on deck. I got them scallops, baby. It was about that time. I know it's been a long time coming. Went to the supermarket today. I got my ingredients, and hey, this is the final stages. My favorite stage, eating. Hello. So you got that fresh gel som that my mom just made. This is a mixture of fish sauce, sugar, a little MSG. Stay quiet about that. And Thai chili peppers and cilantro. Again, you got my chimichurri rendition right there. Got cilantro, green onion, red pepper, jalapeno. And damn, look at that. So colorful. Taste the rainbow again. Got my grilled asparagus, grilled sea scallops, grilled bell peppers, and that nice charred lemon. Just to add some zest to your life. Then last but not least, I got them steaks. I didn't stop the cooking process by cutting it right away, but look at that. Oh shit, some just fell off, but that's okay, I'm gonna still eat it. So you get this nice pinkish color in the middle, pinkish red color. Then around it you have this nice crust that I love in a steak. So I'm gonna put that to the side. Don't judge me for grabbing all of this right now. I do not have corona. Damn! That shit is good. Look at this. The T-bone steak, baby. I don't even know what to go first in. Wow. So even the bone, you can see right in between. It has this nice pinkish color. A lot of times, if you go to steakhouses, you go to other places, right inside the bone, that's where it's least cooked. Only because it's right next to the bone, it's in the center, and it's the most likely the thickest piece and coldest piece to cook. So that's a nice sign right there, right away. That color, oh my god, that color is phenomenal. Let me just show you guys a sneak peek right now. Bro, this is amazing. I'm gonna keep this together because I'm gonna take a pic for the gram. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that pink, bro. That pink color. It's that nice medium rare. Medium well. Honestly, yo, I kind of like it a little more red than this. But I was cooking all my other veggies and stuff that I had to let this rest. So I wasn't able to stop the cooking process cutting it earlier. But hey, it's still okay. It still looks beautiful. And it's not overcooked. Again, I know I told you guys, I do not want to see an overcooked piece of meat. Yo, Pete, honestly, I'm not the best at puzzles. I'm trying to piece this all together again. I don't think it's happening. I don't think it's my day to do so. Got them sea scallops. I'm gonna plate this real nice because I'm all about eating with your eyes first. And that's the thing. People don't understand. The reason why I love cooking, why I love eating, is one of the few art forms in the world that literally takes all 5 senses of you. You got taste, you got smell, you got sight, obviously. You could hear the sizzle when it's grilling. I'm extremely happy with the results. You guys don't understand. This is something that I love doing. I love cooking. It's my meditation. It's my way to just, you know, find peace for a good 2 to 3 hours. Nobody talks to me. It's just me, myself, my baby girl, that grill. You saw that. Oh my god, that shit. She's been in my life longer than a lot of my socks. Guys, I'm gonna pour this gel som in a little bowl because my mama's gonna get mad that I'm gonna spoil the gel if I dip my steak in there. So nothing to piss off my mom's, cause she's looking from her room right now. She's staring me down. She's like, damn, my son is mad ugly. He don't get his looks from me. Cause yo, This shit gonna go down. Cut my asparagus. Beautiful grilled asparagus, lightly seasoned. Get that nice smoky flavor, which I absolutely love.
But it don't got nothing to do with you.
Got my nice bell peppers. Cooked right on the grill top. Super sweet. Getting nice char flavor. Then you got these monster chunks. These monster chunks of steak right here. T-bone steak. Medium fucking rare. I do this shit, man. Dip it in that gel song. Also with my chimichurri sauce. My jaw's about to break. But it's gonna be all worth it. And I don't know where you guys see that in my hand, bro. That sticky rice. That cow baby. Ooh.
Yeah.
That pink. Oh my. You guys don't understand. I haven't eaten grilled steak in so long. Restaurants have been closed for the last 3 weeks. I don't even like eating at restaurants, steakhouses, because I love to cook so much by myself. But hey, that was so worth it. It's a beautiful day. I should be eating outside. But hey, I'm here in my kitchen. Quarantine Eats, episode number 30 million. I'm eating that good. I'm eating that good sticky rice. Gel song, baby. Well, one of my favorite meals to make. One of my favorite things to do is grilling. So I'm here showing you guys a little something that I am passionate about. So I hope you guys like this video.
Gizzards? Are these chicken gizzards?
That's liver.
Oh, liver? I think it was chicken gizzards.
Get your organs right. Wanna try my chimichurri?
Sure.
It's not as good as my last one, but it's good. My sister just came home from the park. She gonna tell you guys how it is real quick. She gonna tell you if my cooking's good and I'm not bullshitting her or not. I might be bullshitting just a little bit, but who knows? Who knows?
Who knows?
Cause
Don't
she's
fucking record me. I look like shit.
you always look like shit.
Your mother.
So she doesn't want to be on camera because she's ugly as shit, but her voice will be in the background. Let me hear something.
Need more salt?
What?
On the steak?
What'd you say, bitch?
You fucking asked for my opinion, bitch.
My ass. She fucking lying. Anyways, back to me, because she don't know what she's talking about in the food game. So I'm here bringing you another piece of my T-bone steak. Super thick cut, medium rare, with the chimichurri and the gel song. Let me top that off with some bell peppers.
You know what I really want? I want some gel.
A bite of asparagus, and even maybe a bite. Ooh, a burp. A bite of that scallop.
Oh my god.
Look at this is so cute.
What a culmination
That is
of
cute.
2 hours of prep, an hour of cooking. It is so worth it. Beautiful day outside. I probably won't be able to cook on the grill for another 2 or 3 days. I have an idea of what I am going to cook the next time on the grill. I do not want to tell you guys, but that shit gonna be fire. So I think it's time to say goodbye to you guys. So stay tuned for the next episode. I'm out. Subscribe to me if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Social Harwinism. Follow my food page at the Mozilla, and follow my clothing page at the He Shelf. So stay tuned, because who knows what's next in my Quarantine Eats episodes. So yo, I'll see you guys next time. Bang, bang, bang.